You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. This is a sort of slang term to say a member of law enforcement or the police, essentially a police officer, police, pronounced as cop in British English or American English. The pronunciation is similar, cop, so it's different from cup or cap. It's cop, an O sound. How to pronounce English pronunciation, cop. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.